Here's Ethan with his hiccups. Ethan, you have the hiccups.
He's like, get that goddamn camera out of my face. So sleepy.
You zoom in on that cute face of yours.
So he's about to sneeze.
You gonna sneeze? There you go. Bless you.
He looks pissed.
Why you look so pissed? All right.